Shiba Inu has some massive news as it gets its first public company to accept Shib as a payment form. This is very bullish for our fan favorite Shiba Inu coin. But before we start the video, I want to welcome you back to the 99B YouTube channel. I am your host Umar Khan. Today we're taking a deep dive into Shiba Inu token as there's some bullish things going on in the mix and you're absolutely not going to want to miss out. So if you want to stay tuned to the latest and greatest crypto news, smash the subscribe button down below and let's jump right into the mix of things. So first of all, overall crypto market looking kind of red. We're down 1.5% in terms of the overall volume, and in terms of fear and greed index, we're currently sitting at a 48 neutral. It has made some movement up towards the right direction. However, we haven't recovered quite just yet. Stay tuned for later today where we do a deep dive on Bitcoin and what we anticipate to see what happens with Bitcoin next. In terms of the top meme coins, guys, Shiba Inu is on that list as its number 2, $7 billion away in market cap in terms of becoming the number 1 meme coin. And people are bullish that Shiba Inu may flip Dogecoin this bull run, and today we're doing a full breakdown. So first and foremost, $10 billion market cap, top 13 ranking cryptocurrency across the board, over $168 million in the past 24-hour volume alone, making it top 50 traded coin. And there's a bunch of exciting things happening for Shiba Inu. The first massive news is this. So it's posted directly from the Shiba Inu official Twitter account. Big news, Shib Army. Kronos Advanced Technologies becomes the first public company to accept Shib for payment, which is absolutely massive. And they go on into their article. So we can see public company Kronos taps into the growing crypto payment trend with Shiba Inu adoption. So we can see Kronos Advanced Technologies will accept Shiba Inu for payment. Kronos is running a promotion offering 10% off discount for users who choose Shib. And then Shiba Inu rose 4% in the past 24 hours, trading at this price. Now that's absolutely massive for so many reasons. One, it just shows the utility and the future of crypto. Remember, we saw, I believe temporarily, I don't know if you can anymore, but temporarily Dogecoin was accepted for Tesla. Actually, you can buy Tesla using Dogecoin. I don't believe that's a thing anymore. Similar to that, also they're offering 10% discount for people who choose to use Shib over fiat or whatever other payment forms this website or this company accepts. Now it's massive because that means this company Kronos is pretty bullish on Shiba Inu if they're offering their customers a 10% discount for trading over their Shib instead of cold hard cash. Because when you think about it, they could easily take the money, their profits, and buy Shiba Inu, but rather they're basically incentivizing people to use Shiba Inu instead of directly buying Shiba Inu. If you like Shiba Inu, guys, you're gonna absolutely love this new meme coin that we're gonna talk about just now. So saddle up for the Legends of the Shiba showdown, where Wild West spirits meet the crypto frontier. Now, guys, this is a pre-sale gem that has just basically launched, and they already raised $480,000 in their first round. If you want to buy the absolute lowest price, now is your time to strike. You buy this pre-sale gem with ETH, USDT, CARD, and BNB as well. It's been featured on a ton of different articles and blog posts around the world. We see you can meet the main characters, explore their journey they're taking off. It looks like they have cactus staking with up to 2,200% in rewards. You start earning today. Utilize ideas, campfire stories, token governance, lucky lasso lotteries, and cactus staking. So many rewards for the company and so many rewards for the community. Now, guys, if you want to see a full breakdown, we are going to do a review for this project very soon. But if you want to buy it absolutely early, especially for all my Shiba Inu holders, you might want to load up a bag. Link in the description below, also pinned in the comment section. But let's go back to Shiba Inu, as the bullish news is not over just yet. If you thought that was big for it being accepted as a payment form, there's still more for this, as the technicals are looking quite interesting. So let's jump straight to technical report, and we see oscillators are finally in the green and it's in a buy. However, the moving averages are in a strong sell. Give us an overall summary of sell. Now, when we go back to the chart to see what's been going on, we see on the day we saw it pump up a bit and a bit of a pullback. Looks like people were probably taking some profits. When we go to the 1 week, we're down about 4%, and we go to 1 month, we're down a whopping 30%. What does this mean for us? This means there is some value to be locked in, as buying now could be an easy 30% gain. But when really looking at it, guys, when we look at the 1 year, there's still so much more to be gained. Look at its previous all-time highs this year alone. Now, when in doubt, you zoom out, and this all-time high looks nowhere close to its previous all-time high. Remember, during these bull run seasons, tokens typically pass its break its previous all-time high, and in this case it had a massive push with Vitalik donating his Shib and then getting into his wallet, creating a whole fiasco. Major news like that probably won't happen again. However, between the utility, utilization, what they're offering in the ecosystem, this could cause Puppy to break all-time highs again, meaning buying it now would be an absolute bag if you do end up loading up early. Talking about the community, guys, the community has been growing absolutely massive, over 3.8 million followers over on X, and much to say positive news news inside the news. Recently, Shiba Inu gets first public company in US to accept SHIB for payment. It's massive. Shiba employees to resign from work if SHIB rises up 100,000%. So this being accepted as payment form is obviously absolutely massive. And then people anticipating to leave their work if Shiba Inu could hit a certain threshold. So many exciting things happening in the mix, guys. But if you want to stay tuned with the latest and greatest crypto news, make sure you smash the subscribe button down below. Like always, guys, none of this is financial advice. It's not intended to be financial advice. So always do your own research and due diligence before investing any money in the cryptos we cover on this channel. That pretty much wraps up the video. Until next time, it's your friend Umar. Peace.